Zentangle is a meditative art form that is a relaxing method of creating abstract art using structured patterns. It teaches and focuses on being mindful and present. Zentangle requires no artistic skills. Hello, I'm Sandhya, an artist and a certified Zentangle teacher. In this channel, we talk about creating and practicing Zentangle, my own Zentangle inspired artworks and collectibles. Make sure you hit that like icon and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any videos that we post every Tuesdays and Fridays. Welcome to yet another Zentangle mini project. Today's focus tangle in our Focus Flight series is called Gorgeous by Maria Thomas. Gorgeous is a lovely organic tangle that can be used as a standalone tangle or as a filler tangle. So for today's project, I plan to use one other tangle along with Gorgeous. I'm going to work on a regular white square tile with my black pen and pencil. Go grab your supplies and let's get started. So for today's project, we are not going to make any border or string. However, I would like to just make a line here just to kind of set the distance. So just a line out there, and let's get started with our tangle. Today's tangle is Gorgeous. It's a lovely tangle, so let's get started to play with that. So I start somewhere here. I make a curve like this and I come down like that. So now I am going to make a pod kind of a thing. So I just turn this line and kind of bend back and hit this line again. Now I'm going to make another line that's pretty much around this, so just go along with this. Like that. So I'm gonna add another thicker aura around it. Okay, so now we're going to repeat this again. So I'm going to start with that. Now my next line is going to be thicker and it's kind of going to end around that spot. That. So I'm going to repeat or make few on this side to give it that shape. And remember, there is no right or wrong way to do this. So just go ahead and have fun with that. Now I'm going to add another one. So I'm going to start like this. Okay. So you can now either stop here, or if you wish you can also add another line. I'm gonna add one more, just one last that, and it's gonna be very small. So I'm gonna add my next Gorgeous somewhere here, somewhere like this. So let's do that. So I'm going to add my next one right next to this. So these are like the Gorgeous is a tangle that it's more of a standalone, but you can kind of place it wherever you want and however you want, and create interesting patterns or interesting designs with that. So it's a very different kind of a tangle. So there I have two gorges right next to each other, and I'm going to stop at this, and I'm going to start adding my next tangle, which is next with a Y. It's an interesting tangle. It's a beautiful leafy tangle, so I'm going to start adding next here this way. So it starts off like this with a pod and another pod here, so this could be leaves, and then you add another one right next to it and another one, so they are in a set of two. Just keep adding set of twos like this. So you can make it however longer you want, so you can decide when to stop. So gotta stop somewhere here. Okay. And then we add an aura line right next to it. I'm going to add few more all around to make it look interesting. So I'm going to add my next one here. This goes like this. I'm going to add my aura line. So I'm going to add one more here, just a tiny one, to kind of balance it out. So maybe just 3 pods coming out like that. So I'm going to add one really tiny gorgeous here, just to make it more interesting. So this is going to be really small, and swinging around on the other direction. So the different things that you can do with this, you could make your this stem a really bit longer and more curlier. So there's all sorts of things that you can do. So yeah, so I have my 3 gorgeous, and now I'm gonna add my next. So I'm gonna add one here, so it's gonna be small. Okay. Another one is going to be somewhere here like this, just again, just few 3 or 4 of them, that's it. So I'm going to give an aura line to this. gonna add one more next here. It's kind of coming out like this. So it starts off like this, goes behind the stem, and the next one is here. So I'm going to give an outer line to this as well. And I'm going to add one tiny one on this side. That's it. Okay, so there is my gorgeous. And next, now we're going to fill these thicker gaps that we have made with solid black. So I'm going to go ahead, use my PN micron. PN is plastic nib, so it has a thicker nib like this. So I'm going to use this to fill the blacks. So let's get started. I'm going to use my PN to fill the blacks. So just go ahead and add blacks. Make sure your black is nice and dark. Okay, so I'm going to do this on all the thicker spaces that I've created for my gorgeous. There, doesn't that look lovely? So I'm going to add black on the other two as well. So here I'm done with my blacks. So my gorgeous looks lovely with black filled in, and I have necks all around. I'm going to add few tipple just to make it more interesting. So just randomly I'm going to go around the tangles to kind of add few tipples. That. So just go around and throw in few ripples random. So there you go. I think I'm done. Can have some more here, but yeah, I'm pretty much done. So that is my tile for the day. So let's put our signatures. So I'm just going to put my initials here. I need to add shading. So there's not much shading to be added for gorgeous, but I'm just going to add few grays here for our necks. So I'm just going to add them with a pencil here and my pencil here. I'm just going to pull it up. Just gently like that. So let's just pull this out gently. And there you go. So that's my gorgeous all done. Hope you had fun creating that project along with me. I would love to see your creations. So head on to our FB group ZenBeez, where all the after party fun happens. Share your works there and check out the creations by other ZenBeez. If you're on social media and you share your works there, please do tag me at Sandhya Manne or hashtag Tangle with Sandhya, so I get to see your lovely creations there. I do an FB live every Friday at 10 a.m. India Standard Time on my FB page, Sandhya Manne Studio. Do join me and let's tangle together. Now it's time to comment, so please comment below and let me know how you enjoyed this project. That helps me plan out my next set of videos. Also, show me some love and hit that like button, share the video and subscribe to the channel. In the description, there is a link that says Tangle Organizers. Click on that, sign up and get updates on my upcoming workshops and also claim your free gift. Until next time, remember to breathe and smile. See ya. Namaste.